I've always wanted to please God, but now life kind of sucks. Like, I don't have friends, and my parents' marriage was having a hard time, and my mom also was experiencing some mental illness issues. She had undiagnosed bipolar disorder, which I couldn't get past that. How can a good God allow that? And so I started making compromises, watching pornography. I was heavily addicted to video games. I felt like God was alive, he was real, but he wasn't doing anything for me. But the deeper I got into these addictions, I realized they were capable of hurting a lot of people. I had to learn to set aside that anger and say, okay, I don't have answers for why you allowed these things to happen in my life, but I need your help right now because I don't want to be this person I'm becoming. And I'm so glad I made that decision, because God over the next few years helped me completely get out of both of those addictions, to get clean from that. Today our family is healed, we're closer than ever, and it's just testament to the Lord's power to redeem and to change lives.